How about we laugh together? Yo, everybody. Yo, everybody. Red Yosh here, and today we're gonna be doing a Try Not to Laugh challenge. It says if you win this challenge, don't laugh. $1,000. I'm guessing. I don't know. Let's go. Let's get into it.
This is how you eat a Big Mac, nigga. Son, come on, son. Come on, God.
While I whip it like this.
And his name is
John
Stamos.
I love Full House. I already said that in the previous one.
You got the new Black Ops. Look at this shit, y'all. Look at this.
Oh wow, it's Black Ops.
Black Ops. No, nigga, it's somebody's mixtape.
Oh my god. Oh wow.
While you stay at the Hida Hotel.
I love those vines where nothing is where nothing's happening, and like where nothing has happened yet, like nothing's happening, like they're just talking quietly, and then like out of nowhere something crazy happens, and then they just start screaming. Like this one. Hold on, let me show you this one about a bird. This is the one. This is the video. That was that. That was the video. Hold on, I gotta go back onto it. I can go ahead. Crap. Oh, now we gotta find that video again. Okay then. Okay, so let's get up onto there. Let's just do all this crap. We're gonna go up into here. We're gonna go into my channel. I think I got to. These are all my uploads. I think I'm on the right thing. No, I am not. I will be right back. Okay, forget about that one. I just realized about Gabe's last words, so I have sad news. I won't live here for much longer. I will be back. That's a meme, so don't worry. Doggos never die. I'm legit crying. Like, I'm legit about to. Please don't cry. Please.
Wanna go outside?
It's sad because it's like reminding me of my old dog, but I don't want to talk about it because it's sad because it's like Gabe kind of reminds me of my old dog, but because we had that dog for like long time. Like ever since I was like 5 years old, we had that dog. Not Gabe, it was a different dog. But we've had that dog for about like ever since I was like 5. And then I lost her at like 8 years old. So it's been like 2 years ever since I haven't seen my dog. And just watching this video reminds me of my own. Because I've had my dog for so long that eventually she died. But I mean, like, she had a certain cancer, but we never knew about it until my parents took her to the vet. It was at like late at night. I wasn't awake at that time, but they took her to the vet, and they realized that she had cancer. I don't know. I forgot what cancer it was, but she was an old dog. She was, and I knew that once we realized that she had like a bleeding bump on her stomach, we knew that her dad was gonna come. And then once we took her to the vet, we had to put her down, and then the next morning when I got up, she's usually sleeping on my floor because she's too big to sleep on my bed. So she's usually there. So I got up and then I looked around to see if she was sleeping on her bed, but her bed was in the laundry room. She never goes in there. I mean, she's allowed to, but she never does. And then I looked around the whole entire house. I never saw her, and then I asked my mom, and then she told me that we had to put her down. And then I tried to resist on crying because I didn't want to, in that early in the morning. But I already knew that. I thought that my dad took her for a walk, and then, but no, she after that, I just went to my room and then I just started crying. My TV was off. I didn't, because usually whenever I wake up, I try to go back to bed because, well, first I would bring out my tablet because at that time I had this tablet, so I would usually bring out that tablet, check the time, and then if it was like too early, then I'd go back to bed, but it wasn't. So I looked around to find my dog, but she wasn't there. And then I found out the news, and I just really wish that I had her right here with me. I just wish I could see her again. And then later on we got another dog, but then we had to give him away. So yeah, I don't know if he's in Mexico or if he's still in the U.S., but all I know is that he's safe, and I mean, he was already safe with us, but he wasn't sick or anything, or he's not even sick or anything. So now we're gonna get another dog. I don't know. We're thinking of actually making Rocco the father, which would be my old dog, or just getting a Yorkie. I just really wish I could see Girl again. Maybe even Rocco. 'Cause I love both of them. I'm just gonna end the video off right here. Because it knows me, be sure to smash the like button. please do it supports me. And also hit that red subscribe button. You know where the bell is. See you all in the next video. Goodbye.